What's up, you guys? This is Allison. Today I'm going to be touching base on our level 3 hair serum. Our hair serum is infused with aloe vera to nourish, hydrate, and repair damaged hair, giving a softer and smoother look by detangling and taming frizz. You can apply this product on damp hair for heat protection or on dry hair to tame frizz. Let me show you how to properly apply this hair serum. I will place 1 or 2 pumps into my palms. I'm going to warm up the serum by rubbing my palms together.
Distribute the serum throughout the mid-shaft and ends of your hair. Avoid applying serum to the roots as it will make hair look greasy.
So if you want to acquire these products, make sure to visit us at L3VEL3.com.